Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So this video is about tangent. Okay, so for example, I have this kind of question. We have to know the tangent point. We have to find out the tangent point. Okay, so first of all, we are given all the dimension in mm. Okay, so we have two main circle here with 15 mm radius on the left side, and also 25 mm radius on the right side. Okay, so both circle are in line with the distance 60. Okay, now in order to find out the tangent point, we have to know the center of the circle. They only give the radius of the arc. So how to find the center point of the arc of radius 40? We have to open up our compass with the distance 15 plus 40. So we got 55. So from this center, we open 55 to get the intersection. Okay, let's say we got it around here. And then from the right side, 25 plus 40, we get 65. So 65 is from this point until here, around here. So we can get the center of the first arc, the upper arc. Okay, and then from here with radius 40, from here with radius 40, we can get this arc. Okay, then in order to get the tangent point, we have to draw a line from this center to this center. Okay, with the line, we can get the tangent point here, which is perpendicular to the line and the circle, both circle. Okay, same goes to the other side. Okay, next for the outer arc here, same method, but this time the circle is inside the arc. Okay, so we need to exclude this radius. So how we do it? We have to mind 75. We have to deduct with the radius inside. 75 minus 15, we get 60. Okay, so open up the compass with 60 mm. We can get around here maybe. Okay, this is just an example. You can try it. And then from the other side, 75 minus 25, we got 50. Okay, so it might be around here. So this is the point of this arc, the center point of this arc with radius 75. Okay, and again, when we draw a line from this point to this point and then extend a bit to get the tangent point here. Same goes to the other side here. From this point, make a straight line touching this point and then extend the line throughout here so that we can get the tangent point. That's it. Thank you for watching.